guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maisha. Today we are going to learn how to change theme in VSCode. To change your VSCode theme, all you have to do is go here and click on this icon, and there you see color theme. There is also a shortcut, but you can use this. Click on this color theme and here you go. Here is all the themes you can use in VSCode. At the moment I'm using Dracula. To see what different themes look like, all you have to do is press the up down arrow key. Just press the up arrow key and see, you can see different themes, and then down key. And then select whatever theme you want. I'm going to select Dracula again, and then just press enter. Or let's select this one and press enter. That's it. And this is how you change your theme. Now we are going to see how you can download a different theme from the website or from the extension option here in VSCode. First, we're going to use the extension option to download a different theme. We're going to download Shades of Purple theme. Here on your left there is an extension icon. Click on it and then search. And here you just click on install. That's it. Now we are going to see how you can download a different theme from the website. You can install from here, or you can install directly from the VSCode extension. If you want to change your theme, you can always go back here, manage, and then click on color theme, and then click up down, and then select it. This is how you change your theme and download or use a different theme. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.